But why are there not more people talking about lake effect snow? It's one of nature's coolest tricks. Let's dive in. So what is lake effect snow? It happens when cold air moves over warmer lake water. The warm water adds moisture and heat to the air, creating clouds and snow. Simple, right? But here's where it gets wild. Some places get slammed with snow. Take Tug Hill, New York. In 2007, they got a mind-blowing 141 inches of snow in just 10 days. That's taller than an average adult. And let's not forget Buffalo, New York. In November 2014, they got over 7 feet of snow in just 3 days. Picture your car buried under that. So next time you hear about a snowstorm, think lake effect. It's Mother Nature's way of showing off. Stay curious, stay warm.